Hi guys, if you want to stay online on Fiverr 24/7, then this is the right video. If you are looking to stay online on Fiverr for 24/7 on your mobile phone, then this is the number one trick you are going to use. So this is my dummy account and I want to try as possible to stay online. So if you stay online, you might get one, let me say 50% chance against those who were offline. So it's good to stay online because when the buyer message you, you will be able to reply as soon as possible. And also when the buyer filter for those who are online, you are likely to be on in the first page. So if you are on the first page, then you are good to go and you might get another so let us get started, and this is no bullshit. And if you're watching this for the first time, subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to on notification bell because you don't want to miss another episode. So the tutorial I'm going to use, I've watched so many tutorials on YouTube, and I see many people are giving you some app that aren't look so good. So I decided to do mine and show you the app I'm using to stay online. So don't forget to share the videos, and if you have anything you need to say, please just comment, leave the comment using the comment box below and let me know your opinion on this. So then let us get started. So there is an app I called a Fiverr Activa. So let us launch the Fiverr Activa. This app is not on Play Store. As you can see, you can find this app on Play Store. So I will link the link in the description below. That is how you can get this app right now. So first thing you need to do after you download this app is to launch it, and then click on the URL/app to locate the app you are looking for. So click on it and select the app you want to use. So this is how it's searching for the app. So if you want to know how to make money with Fiverr and any other stuff, full automation, check my comment the description box below. You see my Fiverr tutorials, and you can check my other videos on how to make money online too, either with cryptocurrency or affiliate marketing on the stuff. So let us locate the app we are going to use. So let me see. So I decided to use this Mega. So as you can see, I can launch as many apps as possible. So I have like over let me show you, but many accounts on this phone, and nothing is happening with my accounts. So I'm using App Luna to do it. Premium App Luna. You can download this App Luna from store and pay. If I'm Nigerian, you won't pay less than let me say 6,000 to 7,000 naira to get this app. But if you're a foreign account, a foreigner, you just need over like $10 to pay for this app on Play Store. So as I said before, Fiverr Activa is not available there. As you can see here, this is my accounts. So over 17 accounts rather. So let us get us to the work. Go to Fiverr Activa. So I have input this app right there. Look at this app, and I've input this. So for this thing, I'm going to set the seconds. So if this thing reads 100 seconds, then it should load. Okay, so let me off this off too. So let me say I'm setting this one to 300. So if this one reads 300, then it should load, right? So if this one reach 400, it should load. But if this one reach so there's no app here, so I'm going to Euro 5. There's no app here too. So if this one will reach 600, the app will come up and load it also. So let us show this. So as you can see, this app, this thing are those app. This one app, you can ideally leave it, set the icon or button transparent to be small or big. So let me set this number one icon to be big. This is this, as you can see, Mega, which is M. So I'm going to click on large. As you can see, it's become too large. As you can see, the letter M is become too large, right? So I'm going to click on L again and click on so small. So as you can see, the M is small. So after, the next thing to do is make sure you on this thing. As you can see, on it and click on this refresh one. So as you can see, this app will load automatically. So let me close this one, and I'm going to open the second one too. So this one will load too. I'm going to open the third one too. The third one will load. I'm going to leave the fourth one too, and then the fourth one will load. So if you check this thing right now, let me see if I can find a black background or something else. Okay, let me just open my Telegram. So if you can see the back of this app, you'll see some kind of a number, a number there that is running. That means this app will auto refresh in 9 hours. So you just need to keep your data on for this thing to load. Always. So when this one reach the 0 minute, it will open, and this one will open. So you have to leave your phone, or let me say you are working on your PC right now. You can just leave your phone behind on your Wi-Fi and then begin to work where your app is online. So if you can avoid a VPS right now, then this is the best option for you to stay online. So don't miss the opportunity. And if you're watching this for the first time, subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to on the notification bell, because you don't want to miss another episode. Please, I want to know about how you think in the comment below. So don't forget to subscribe my channel. There are some video here on how you can make money on Fiverr. So let me see after this, and also over 100 to 200 naira per day send back links,
and select a payment.
That is one of my good videos so far. As you can see, the app has already been loaded. I think it's kind of updating the list. So thank you for watching, and have a nice day.